if you're really located at NRI, well, like especially Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, and where you can US, Los Angeles, many countries are demanded for Indian lehengas. It's only dark maroon and the kalamkari work has been done with the designer diamond stone work. You can if I talk about the net fabric, and this fabric you can see here Laria pattern, the stone work and the pink magenta color combination, which is a lightweight of the net fabric. These lehengas are specially demanded in India for the haldi's functions as well as many more evening parties, small mini events, get together, family pattern, which is a Rama green color with a dark maroon color. I can say here the beautiful elephant work with the kalamkari based. It is designed only jerry work and the stone work has been done. Hi all, welcome to KTC Factory. I am Rani Subramanian here. Once again, I brought for you the new exclusive collections from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. If I talk about these collections, today I am going to show you the exclusive collections segments from the lehengas. If I talk about these lehengas, designer lehengas which are getting manufactured in Surat, which is KTC is a factory where getting multiple varieties of women's varieties. It's getting at factory price you can purchase. So these lehengas, if I talk about, it starts from only 400 rupees. Let's watch this video and subscribe to the channel for the regular updates, and you can do online shopping 24/7. You can directly tie up with KTC Factory and you can start your clothing store. So these lehengas, if I talk, it starts from only side away party wear lehengas of 400 rupees. And if I talk about the bridal lehengas, which starts from only 1000 rupees. And if you're really located at NRI, well, like especially Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, and where you can US, Los Angeles, many countries are demanded for Indian lehengas which are getting manufactured only from India and it's getting exported to many more countries. So we are providing you the services for all the countries as well as domestic. So let's see some samples over here. First lehenga, if I talk about the net fabric, and this fabric you can see here Laria pattern, the stone work and the pink magenta color combination, which is a lightweight of the net fabric. And this is a party wear, evening, night wears lehengas which are for the youngsters, which is very demanded for these varieties. And you can buy this with semi-stitch blouse with the dupatta. And next color, if I talk about the demanded pastel colors of peach color, only chunky work I can say here, the net fabric with the satin fabric finishing with the lightweight, only chunky work and the golden with the thread work you can see here, and the silk fabric which is laced here you can see, and mini can you can see over here. These varieties of satin fabric on the net fabric which is highlighted. So this is also one more party wear lehenga. If you need a dark contrast color, which is a wine color combination with a half white, only the floral based and the leaf work which I've done with a heavy covered designer is a bold floral work has been done, which is the pattern of the wiring work, and which is a dark brinjal color, or I can say a wine color. This is also one more party wear and side wear lehengas. These lehengas are specially demanded in India for the haldi's functions as well as many more evening parties, small mini events, get together, family functions. And coming to the bridal part of lehengas are also getting manufactured. If these lehengas, if you buy at the market, minimum you have to bear some 6,000 to 10,000. But these lehengas are getting manufactured where from the KTC factory you can buy of 1,000 rupees of manufacturing price. And if you are into a business, these lehengas you can see a profit. And designer bridal lehengas, it goes up to lakhs of rupees where every woman, every girl loves to wear on the bridal lehengas on their bridals. So everyone is keen to love to wear the lehengas, and lehenga lovers are many people around the world. So this is one more pattern. If I talk about the designer stone work, it's only dark maroon and the kalamkari work has been done with the designer diamond stone work you can see here. So every pattern of designer only kalamkari based of the mustard color, dark maroon color, and which is a wiring work has been done, and the thread work. It's overall the golden piping work has been done in the bottom of the pattern. And here you can see the can which gives a ball gown at the bridal when you wear. So designer bridal lehengas also for the bridal you can buy from 1,000 rupees. If I talk about the next lehenga, in lehengas we do have a weightless lehengas and we do have a heavy weight lehengas also. Bridal lehengas minimum 10 kg you can find out a weight, and the party wear lightweight lehengas also you can buy. And mostly bridal lehengas are heavy weight collections where you can buy, because according to the work the lehenga weight will be. And if I talk about this color pattern, which is a rama green color with a dark maroon color, I can say here the beautiful elephant work with the kalamkari based, it is designed only jerry work and the stone work has been done. And here you can see here very big butta work with this along with sequence work has been done, and the matte finishing of the golden work. So such more lehengas or multiple layers has been done. So this is also a curving design of finishing has been done at the edge of the lehengas. Coming to last sample, these lehenga is only a dark red color or maroon color with a mixed only designer. So covered with heavy designer concept of floral, peach color, pink color, velvet based fabric, and beautiful multi designer thread work on the velvet fabric which has been done, and the stone work which is covered on the pattern down below. And every designer lehengas, elegant collections from KTC factory, you can buy from 1000 rupees to 20,000 n number of collections. If I talk about the designer fabrics, you have a velvet fabric, you have a georgette fabric, you have a net fabric, you have a many more varieties of demanded. And these fabrics which I said, and these are stone work, kalamkari, multi thread work, jerry work, stone work, wiring work, these are always demanded at the market. And these lehengas you can see well profit. If you're really interested to invest, you can invest some 50k to around some 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs and you can have your own shop. And if you're placed in NRE countries, easily you can purchase from sitting, do online shopping from your place, where we are providing you the domestic and international all over the countries. We do provide you the sea services and the cargo services. 7 to 10 days domestic services, you'll receive your stock. According to your country, sea services and the cargo services will be done. So you can buy from cash on delivery also. We provide you domestic 15 to 20k and 20 to 25k minimum online purchase. You can place an order according to your place. We will provide you, and there is no language barrier. Online team, there is a sales team to communicate to you according to your Indian languages and even English, Hindi. Everyone find out, and you can talk to us and you can find out what are the products you are looking for, the collections. So KTC, you can also directly visit, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 6:30. If you couldn't travel, please go ahead for online shopping 24/7. So I end up this video. Please let me know at the comment box how was the collections, and let me know what kind of collections you are looking for it. I'll do the videos and subscribe the channel. Please share this video with your friends, with everyone. Keep watching KTC Factory and please like it, please follow, and next video soon will contact us with many more informations with videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.